You can insert comments in a worksheet. If your worksheet is a receipt worksheet, comments provides helpful information to users. User can share ideas in a worksheet. You can share notes and instructions in comments box. To insert comments box, first active a cell. In Review tab, click Comments group. Now click New Comment button. This is Comments box. Comments box opens at the right of cell. Now user can start conversation to admin. In conversation box, type maximum 3 quantities. In cell D25. Click Post button. Now user can ask questions directly to the admin. Type in a reply box, can I buy 5 quantities? Quantities. Click Post button. You can see this comment box works like a messenger. The username of user is appeared at the top of comment box. Current date and time of your PC is appeared here. You can edit and delete comments from here. In comments group, you have some options here. If you click Show Comments button, comments box will shift to right side of worksheet. Click Close. Click at any cell. Move your pointer on this cell. Comments box will appear at the right side of cell. When comment box is created at any cell, red point appears at the upper right side of cell. To delete comment box, click Delete button. In this way, comment box is created and you can guide the user by sending and receiving messages in comment box.